it is true that men typically, when they attempt to hurt themselves, are more successful than women, which is leading to a tragic number of avoidable deaths. Now, economic stress is one of the leading reasons that men feel increased pressure and an inability to cope, because they tend to be the breadwinners of the family. Even in this modern society, it is still, on average, the man who's responsible for the house finances. Now, Greg, has things like COVID and the subsequent financial crisis increased the need for awareness around men's mental health?
Yeah, absolutely. Since COVID, interestingly enough, the actual depression, the mental health of men increased COVID and post-COVID. Now, this is interesting because, you know, men are 3 to 4 times more likely than females to, for example, die by suicide. And that's an ABS statistic from 2007. So what we've got here is that, you know, the socio-economic consequences, as you said, the breadwinner, what's happening here when they think of ending their lives, you've got a real issue of leaving behind children, a wife, and not only that, but the extended family. So what we've got here is an issue that needs to be addressed both from a media point of view, from a government point of view, and even from, you know, friends. You know, I in my work, I come across a lot of men who are depressed, lonely, and the real answer is, I'm here for you, mate, if you need it.
Yes, well, you said and mentioned that there was this demonstration in front of Parliament House down in Canberra where all these shoes were placed on the lawn. Now, just finally here, can you tell us, was there any interest from politicians? Because having 2,500 shoes laying on the lawn is a poignant way to remind people of the importance of this issue. But did you see anybody in Canberra pick it up? Has there been any political interest to help men on this issue?
Yeah, look, quite frankly, a number of politicians came out, walked around the shoes. You may well know that last year in 2022, the late Jim Molan, he actually placed his old army boots out there as a symbol. So that was a great moment last year. But look, there were a number of politicians, I don't want to mention them all, but they did come out, have a look at it, and I think it's a great sign that some of them are starting to recognise that, you know, male suicide is a real mental health issue that needs to be addressed.